Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Many players are curious about Brawl Stars scripts, especially looking ahead to 2025. Essentially, a script is a piece of code that promises to alter your game experience, often giving perceived advantages. These are unofficial programs, completely separate from the game's original design, and they are definitely not endorsed by Supercell. People wonder if these tools can really give them an edge in battles, leading to many questions about their effectiveness and legitimacy. It's a topic with a lot of discussion around it. When people talk about Brawl Stars scripts, they often mention a range of powerful, alleged features. Think about claims like perfect auto-aim that never misses, or even a boost in character damage. Other scripts might promise more extreme advantages, such as instantly unlocking every single brawler or providing unlimited gems and coins. These are all theoretical benefits that attract players hoping to skip the grind. However, it's vital to remember that these capabilities are not part of the game's intended design, and their existence is highly questionable. If you search online, you'll find numerous discussions and claims about where to get a Brawl Stars script. Many third-party websites pop up, often promising easy downloads or simple installation guides. Online forums and video platforms are also common places where these topics are debated, with users sharing their experiences or even alleged links. It's important to approach these sources with immense skepticism, as the internet can be a risky place. Always be wary of unofficial sites offering game modifications, especially when they ask for personal information. Now, let's talk about the significant risks associated with trying to use any Brawl Stars script. First and foremost, Supercell has a very strict policy against cheating. Using unofficial software will almost certainly result in a permanent ban of your account. Beyond that, many of these supposed scripts are actually malware, designed to harm your device or steal your personal information. You could lose access to your game, your other online accounts, or even face serious financial consequences. It's truly not worth the risk. Instead of looking for risky scripts, focus on the incredibly effective and safe ways to truly improve your Brawl Stars gameplay. Dedicate time to practice, analyze different game modes, and learn the strengths and weaknesses of each brawler. Watching top players and understanding their strategies can significantly elevate your skills. Fair play builds genuine expertise and respect within the community, offering a much more rewarding experience. True mastery comes from skill, not from dishonest shortcuts, ensuring your account remains safe and your enjoyment is pure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.